Today we're reviewing these lovely cards from Tessa over at Parcel. This is a monthly note card subscription service that sends you 4 cards every month, plus you get stamps, and it's free. You don't have to pay for shipping. So let's check it out. And I know a lot of you are very talented and very creative, so we'll see if you can start your own, or maybe you can send some cards in to Parcel. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. So let's go ahead and take a peek a little closer at these cards. This arrives in this cute little parcel envelope, and when you pull it out, it has a little ribbon on it, so we can untie that. And I think the nicest part about this is it comes with stamps. How cute is that? Because usually that's my biggest problem when I want to mail things out, is I don't have any stamps to do so, and these are super cute stamps. So, oh, this is not a stamp. I don't know what this is. All right. They have a little welcome card. Hooray, welcome to Post and Parcel, your monthly delivery of happiness. It's a-okay to humble brag on social about your thoughtfulness, XOXO. All right, so let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. So celebrating your today, and they're each in cellophane. It has this cute little gold envelope, and these are blank cards, so I guess we don't have to open them. I heard that you missed me. Hope your new home isn't haunted, and hope your birthday is all sunshines and rainbows. Now today we're looking at the subscription service from Parcel. They actually reached out to me. I did get these free in exchange for an honest review. I think they're very cute. They're very eclectic, but they curate these cards from different artisans or professionals in the industry. So I don't know that they're going after one particular look and feel, like very chic or very high end or very cute, but all of these are, I thought they were entertaining, and I think that it's really nice if you are someone who enjoys sending cards, but you maybe don't have time to get out there, or you forget, or you just like collecting cards for a just in case type of situation. Now, all of these note cards do come with envelopes, and they are empty on the inside, and it looks like they just kind of pick out different things for the occasion. There's a celebration, a new home, we missed you, and a happy birthday. So in theory, you would either have one of those happening that month, or at least you could save it, and maybe it's going to happen in a couple months. Now, I think the number one thing that I liked about this is it came with stamps. I never have stamps laying around. I don't know about you, but even if I wanted to buy stamps, I'm not even sure where to go. I mean, all right, I know I should go to the post office, but who wants to stand in line at the post office? That's crazy. So this is a big bonus. It comes in this simple envelope. So it is one of these, it's like a really hard cardstock, so it doesn't get bent or damaged in the mail. And I think that's how they are able to keep their costs so low. All right, if you're interested in submitting a card to be included in their next batch, then you can probably reach out to them on their website. I will leave their information below. Or maybe this is something that you want to start, postcards maybe. I think there is a resurgence in people wanting snail mail, as well as people that just enjoy calligraphy and hand lettering and might want to show off those skills to their friends and family with some physical cards. So let me know if you guys have any questions, or if this is something that you think would be a great idea, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.